Hey, good evening, good evening. So I am doing a product of the week. And for those of you who know me, you know this is like my number one favorite product right now. Something that I love. So I don't know about you guys, but y'all know how I do come on in, say, hey girl, hey, let me know that you were here. I am just getting home from church. So this is going to be quick, fast, and simple. So you see this hair right here, right? So it tends to get tangly and, complicated. Y'all know what happens. Y'all know what happens. And so you got to come home and you got to comb it out. But sometimes when you're detangling it and you're combing it out, it begins to look kind of dull and it no longer has that shimmer and that shine to it. That's where beauty hack number one comes in. So this Mary Kay all natural, naturally oil has the wonderful smell of sweet almond oil in it. It also has sunflower oil, and so it feels good and it smells good. And normally I would take this and I would pour it into a little travel size spray bottle, but I'm just going to use the regular full size bottle right now. And it has a dropper, so I'm just going to drop a few drops into my hand. I'm not gonna rub it all into my hands because I want it to go on my hair. And I'm just going to massage this right into this ponytail. And you can even see that right there with my bad lighting on the camera. It brings that shine, that sheen, that glow right back to it. And it also gives it a good smell. That sweet almond oil just makes it smell so good. So good. I absolutely love putting this on my wigs, my ponytails, all those good things to bring them back to life. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now it looks amazing. And the thing about it too is that it's going to help it so that it doesn't tangle back up quite so easily. So there you have it. There's my beauty hack for tonight using the Mary Kay naturally oil. The Mary Kay naturally oil. That's my thing. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to show you another one of my beauty hacks that I use with the same product. I'm going to be here all week long because that's how many things I can do with this one product. I love products that multitask that you can use for so many different things. So come back tomorrow and I'm going to tell you what else I like to do with my Mary Kay naturally oil. See you later.